Welcome back to 3 Minute Thursday. The FLAIR bartending move I'm going to teach you today looks like this. Oh yes. Thank you. First things first, grab hold of the bottle by the shoulder of the bottle. I'm going to do a quick one and then we'll go a bit faster afterwards. Turn the shaker upside down, grab it by the open end. You're going to do a bump to behind the back, okay? Now that is tricky. You put the bottle down, you're throwing the shaker up for a rotation, you're hitting it off your arm and it's going behind your back, all right? If you don't want to throw it, you can just hold on to the shaker and hit it, all right? Or you can just throw it behind your back. Completely up to you. So look, 1 with the throw, 2 where you just drop it in place, or 3 behind your back. Completely up to you. 3 variations. You let me know which one you like the best. From there, you'll catch that in tennis grab. You're going to throw that over the top of your arm, half a spin, to catch it in beer grab. So you're in this position. Then this bottle comes over, bang, into a pour. But you don't pour, you drop it in, all right? Keep your arm in this position, all right? Because you're crossed over, drop it in there. Then you're going to do this. You're going to stretch out your arm. This is going to come to behind your shoulder like this. Then you're going to bring your arm around and grab the bottle so you can start pouring, all right? So, all together, very simple version. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. And the difficult one with the bump. Didn't like that shaker, it was dirty already. Bump, over, pour. Thank you very much. If you want, you can even add an extra throw in there. Let me quickly show you. Bump, throw the bottle over the arm, pour, drop, pour. Now, how do you get out of this pour? Simple version, you lift the shaker up, lean back, bring it in this position, take it out. Let me show you the difficult with the extra throw version one more time. Here we go. Boom, bah. Throw, throw, pour, drop. Boom, bah. Throw, throw, pour, drop. Catch, pour, look, lifting it up, stops the pour, take it out. Thank you very much. Now let's do the simplified version. Grab, throw, throw, pour, drop, throw, throw, pour, drop, grab, pour, lift. You can take it out with the same hand as well. Look at that. Huh? Thank you very much, ladies and gents, boys and girls, for watching this week's 3 Minute Thursday. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. Thank you so much for watching. I said that. Anyway, till next week. See you then.